Morning. So today we are going to get our cleaners made. So this first one is a basic scrubbing powder, which I'll probably use on this table when we're done because it's pretty porous and it's nice to have something gritty in there. So you need a cup of baking soda. You need a cup of borax. So in the background, my husband's cleaning out a water tank, so that's what you're hearing. And you need a cup of salt. In 2020, I bought a big bag of Redmond salt and a big bag of this pink Himalayan. Nobody used the pink Himalayan. I have replaced the Redmond salt 4 or 5 times. And I still have that, so it's for cleaning. So, next you need about 20 drops. About 20 drops of lemon. I do not know how to talk. My nose is itchy. Okay. 20?
About that many, I guess.
I think so. It's kind of like vanilla. For myself, the only thing that I use... I should have got that clump out of there before I started. The only thing that I use essential oil for is cleaning. And I would leave it out personally, but my husband likes it. And it probably helps. I am willing to use an essential oil if I would be, well, 1, if he really wants it. And 2, I'll use an essential oil instead of a pharmaceutical. So if it's not something I would use a pharmaceutical for, or I'm trying not to use a pharmaceutical, I don't use essential oils. So I decided to cheat and do it in the... What in the world? I think it's fine. It wasn't bent. Okay. And put it in the jar instead of...
Mix it up in a bowl and dirty unnecessary dishes.
Correct. And that's it. That's the scrubbing powder. And I'm going to give it to a child to get it a little bit better mixed in. And so that's done. So I use that for like the stovetop, or like I said, a porous table like this, or the bathtub sometimes, especially out here because that's a low down sink that the little children can use, so it gets a lot of sand and other things in it. Clay stuck to the side of it or whatever, so the scrubbing powder does really great for that. Now I'm going to make some all-purpose cleaner, and it is 2 tablespoons of borax. I'm not worried about cross-contamination. I'm going to need, this is like teaspoons, so I'm going to do more than it looks like, or, you know, more spoons worth, but about 2 tablespoons worth. Do 1 more. Okay, and then a little bit of Castile soap. I don't know where mine is right now. Lily got it. I don't. And when you use a little bit, this is half a teaspoon in your quart of whatever. So it takes a very long time to use it up. And then I'll rinse this off whenever she comes back. It's about 30 drops of peppermint essential oil. That looks good. And then you want hot water because of the borax that needs to dissolve. Okay, let's see if I can dump this everywhere. Pretty much. say leave a little bit of headroom so you can shake it up. I left a little headroom to spill over. So, overflow it. That's great. And then, whew, minty. Shake a hot, sealed container because it's always a good idea. This is the one that you have on the table for like wiping down your table after a meal, or you wipe down your counters in the evenings. Just your basic, clean the dash in your car, that sort of thing. And then we're going to make, I have it out, I'm going to make a second one of those because I'm going to have them in 2 different locations. But I won't do that for the video. Alright, so now we're going to make our acidic cleaner. And that is 1.5 cups of cleaning vinegar. Okay, so 1.5 cups, 12 ounces. You can use regular vinegar. The acidity is higher on that. Okay, so now we need lemon and grapefruit. So the lemon is 20 drops. Okay. And then this grapefruit, pre-open them before a video might be helpful. Grapefruit is 10. Okay. Now, in the peppermint one, you could add green food coloring. In this one, you could add yellow or orange. I personally don't. Some people would do that so that their children know that it's not a drink. This is the clue I give my children. It's not a drink. So that's it. That's all that one is. This one, water, like we use it.
Do it again, Mom.
We use this one in our, I had ideas in my head of what we use this for. Hard water deposits, use it in your tea kettle if you have calcium buildup. Hard water-ish things is what's coming to mind at the moment. And then this one is Greasy Grime. Your stovetop. If you spill oil somewhere. Sometimes your bathtub can be kind of greasy. That's another good spot for it.
Especially after my hair mask.
Especially after a sugar scrub or something, yeah. Ask Lily how she knows. Okay. A tablespoon. I'll measure it for bits and giggles, you know. That's a teaspoon, 2 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. Oh, it's supposed to be 1 tablespoon. I put in 2. Get it going faster, I guess. Okay, so now 2 tablespoons of washing soda.
Oh my.
Rooster.
Mm-hmm.
So we have a rogue rooster. We got some roosters from some friends. 1 second. 2 teaspoons. So we got a rogue rooster. We got a bunch of roosters to butcher from some friends in town that had too many and didn't want to deal with it themselves. Sorry, it's sweaty out here. And one got away. So he gets to live his life. So the boys didn't think that was a good idea and wanted to go ahead and hunt him down, but he lives. He also makes you wake up with a smile in the morning because of his crowing. Makes Dad and I smile. Not Lily. Okay, orange. About 30 drops. And then different times of term, we'll see. I get impatient, and then I'm just like, chug, 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 chug. So, I think that most people realize that orange essential oil, or orange oil,
No
is
more.
considered a degreaser. Quit too soon. So, that's part of how this works. Super simple ingredients. That's it, right? Castile soap, washing soda.
Did you
Did I
put
use
washing
baking
soda in
soda?
it?
Did I use baking soda?
I think.
Yeah, you did.
I wasn't paying attention.
Okay, so this one, let me tell you again, because I did it wrong, because focused. Okay, it's a tablespoon of Castile soap, 2 teaspoons washing soda, water, and then 30 drops of orange essential oil. My family will forgive me for this. Might not work as good as it's supposed to because it's not the right ingredient, but it'll work for a different task. So, those are our 4. We have Greasy Grime.
Cute.
So we have the Greasy Grime, the acidic, the all-purpose, and the basic scrubbing. These are stupid Walmart, and we don't like them. But we use it till it's dead. When you go to use this, sometimes the stuff can settle in the bottom. So give it a shake so you don't pull out all the stuff sitting on the bottom. This lasts a really long time. They all kind of do, depending on who's running it. Our all-purpose runs out the fastest because it's the #1 one that the children use. I have seen a lot of people want to use non-toxic cleaners, and they'll go to something like isopropyl alcohol. I don't recommend that because the chemicals that they put in it to denature it, it's not good for your brain. And I don't know about your children, but my children and myself, we need all of our brain cells. So don't recommend that, but these are good. We like them. We've been using them for 7 or 8 years, probably at least, and we like them a lot. I will link to where we got the recipes because they're super fantastic. And thanks for watching. We will talk to you later. Bye.